So we are going to be delving into practicals for today. I'll be showing us quickly how to create a Facebook page for your business or your brand. So let's get started. I'm sure you have a Facebook app on your phone, either Facebook app or Facebook Lite. But for the purpose of this course, I'll be using Facebook app. So this is it. You open your Facebook app. Open your Facebook app, and I'm using mobile Android because I notice most of you use Android. Android phone, the interface is quite different from that of a desktop or laptop. So you see this flag here, you click on it, and you click on create. So it will bring you to this place here, and then you just click on create. This create, click on it, you click on get started. Your page name, for example, you want to create a page for your business. Maybe you deal with clothing, stuff like that. You can just put my clothing store. And you click on this next button here. Okay, this is very, very important. Now some people they don't really pay attention to this. It gets very, very important. So you have to search for categories. And you can only add up to 3. So you have to include those categories that are applicable to what you do. You get. So just go here, clothing company first, and then men's clothing. Men's clothing store. What else again? Women's clothing store. So only 3 you get. Then you click on your next button here. Enter your address or city. Very, very important, because it's a kind of way people will you get to know if you are legit. It's one of the things most people they ignore online. Very, very important. These are little things that people ignore, and they don't really get followers or make sales online. So let's, for example, go to Gudu District, Abuja. So you can go ahead and put, that is, you have a physical store, you can go ahead and put your full address there. You get. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just using this. So you can see there's an option. Well, in case you don't want to add, there's an option for you here. I don't want to add an address. But like I said earlier on, it's very, very important. You don't underestimate the power of this. Alright, so add cover photo, very important. Get a very good design. So work with a graphics designer. Well, before the ending of this course, I'll teach you how you can just use a mobile app called Canva to create simple designs. So you get a very good cover photo you get for your page. For example, this is what I want to use. I just go here, I select, and crop it. Make sure you get a very good design for your cover, and then you add your logo. Yes, add profile picture, very important. You see, there are some people online, they don't add profile picture. How do you communicate your authenticity to your customers or prospect customers? You get stuff like that. So you click on this. For example, this is the logo I want to use. Alright, so done. You save it and you click on done here. So it will bring you to this place. Very, very important. Don't ignore these steps. So while creating your page, you have to be very patient. Yes, and deal with it. Give it your time. Don't be in a rush. So important next steps. set your page up for success by completing a few simple next steps. All right, so images are what people first see on your page. Use a logo or photos that best represents that is what you do. You get? So my profile photo and cover photo here is intact, so just click on save, change it, save, go to the next. Invite friends to like this page. You get? So you have to invite your friends. Click on invite friends here. You get? So the best way to do this is to select all. I'll teach you a secret on how to really get people to like your page for free. You get? So I'll select, you see I have over 4,230 friends here. So what I will just do is to click on this option, select all 4,230. But if you don't want to do that, maybe inviting all your friends, you can just go select them as you wish. You get? But I would like to invite all my friends to like my page, so I'll click on select all. You get 4,230, and you click on this send invite. As soon as you click on send invite, it will send an invitation will be sent to them to like your page. You get? So the next step is join groups. Very, very important. Joining groups that have similar interests with what you do will really help you to promote your page online and also market your product or services. Now we treated groups earlier on this course, so very, very important. If you've not gone through that tutorial or class, you can just check on the WhatsApp platform. The link is there, and make sure you get to learn about Facebook groups. All right, so you click on see suggested groups. You see Tailor Association, Tailoring Association, Nigeria Union of Tailors, so you can choose to join any of these groups, and you can also search for similar groups. You get fashion, you get stuff like that. Just make sure you join these groups so as to help you gain visibility and also to connect with others who have similar interest. Also, so connect to WhatsApp, very important, since you are running an online store. Some of your customers would want to contact you online to make findings and all of that. So you click on this connect WhatsApp, very important. Connect WhatsApp here. So Facebook will automatically add my contact here. Should in case they don't do that for you, go ahead and put your number there. You click continue. So Facebook is going to send you a code. You go back to your WhatsApp. So go back to your WhatsApp. I use WhatsApp Business. You should use WhatsApp Business. Well, I'll treat that. So yeah, so this is the code Facebook have sent. All right, 81383. So I'll just go back and 81383, 81383, right? 81383, yeah. So click on continue. Wait for it to load. All right, so I'm all set for WhatsApp. So you can choose to check on this WhatsApp tools. You get? And you can always edit this number anytime. You go on page settings and you can always change the number. So let's check out the WhatsApp tools. I think just for advertising your WhatsApp button, you can choose to create an ad. So not now. I'm not creating an ad now. So I just go back here and yeah, just okay. So create a post, very important. Your first post should be about your business or your services or your brand, what you do. You get? So create post. You can just type, we are an online store, blah 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 blah. So when you are done, you can add photos. You can add photos to this text, what you do. You get? Very, very important. So this card. All right, so the next is set up automated messaging. very very important. You get excellence really makes for audience, so you have to be excellent. You have to approach these things with excellence. You can set up an automated message so that when you are not online, at least you can keep your customers engaging. Not like someone is sending you a message and there is nobody there or nothing there to reply. So this is a robot that is replying for you, instant reply, that is respond to the first message someone sent to your page in Messenger. So you can put this on and you set a very warm welcoming message. Make your customers feel at home, make them feel valued, and you get special. Very very important. So your instant reply, you can set this here. Hi, thanks for contacting us. This is the default what's it called, default template. Yeah, so hi, thanks for contacting us. We've received your message and appreciate you reaching out. You can save this, but if you want to customize, you can go ahead. So whatever you want to put here, you can clean this. You can choose to clean this and put yours. Then you save it. So all right, so away message. Now this away message is for this away message will always reply your customers. That is, when away messages are on, your page is away and sends away messages in Messenger. You can customize your message to let people know how long you will be away and when you respond. That is when you are not online. This feature here can always help you to respond to your customers. So as soon as you put on this, you click here to put it on, just like here to put it on as well. So you can customize it here. Thanks for your message, we are away and can't respond right now. You can also customize this to what you want. Then when you are done, you click on save. So frequently asked questions. Suggest questions people can ask at the beginning of a conversation with your page. Then set up, that is this part here, frequently asked question. Then set up automated response to those questions. So you can add some of those questions, like add a question as soon as your customers ask some of those questions you'll be adding here. There will be an automated response. You get like responding to them immediately. You get review your information here. Also, you can add an email. Very important. Add an email here. Also add phone number. You can do that. Your location. You can put your street address, just like I told us earlier on. Also working hours, add temporary, whatever. Open with service changes. Operating as usual. This business doesn't have any temporary service change. Stuff like that. You can put this business to open again in the future. That is if there's any reason why. So this business has new or changed service, takeout, delivery, online service, and all of that. You can choose to add those options. Yes. So do you offer like you get an online version of your service? Maybe there is a service you are giving online. You get stuff like that. You can choose to tick this. This business offers delivery of goods or food. That is for those doing the clothing stuff. You can just check this too. Pick up. This business offer pickups for good and all of that. So you can just check this. Other changes. Page visitors can refer to post on your page for specific changes. Yeah, you can choose to check this too and click on save. Then next, save. Alright, so all of these settings are stuff you should check out if they are applicable to you. So if you want to add prices here, you can do that. So you can just not applicable, so it will be when they ask. You get stuff like that. Alright, so you can click on this always open, or you can set a standard, that is for you to set your working hours. You get these hours here, so you can click on this always open, or standard hours. You work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m, stuff like that. And you can edit this as well. You can edit this here. So let's just use always open. Always open. Save. Alright, so I think that is that for here. Then reach potential customers with free recommendations for your first ad. You can choose to create an ad here to very well. It's not really important, but it's good that you launch your page with an ad to grow it and create awareness. You want people to come to your business location, that is promoting your business location. You can click yes or no. You get next. Do you have a website? Yes, that is for those who have. If you don't, you click on no. You get. So do you want people to contact you? Yes, you get. How do you want people to contact you? Select all that apply. Do you want them to call you, message you on Facebook, also maybe message you on WhatsApp? You get. Or you can click on this, they can share their contact information and I reach out, stuff like that. So let's just check all of this. All right, what are some topics your audience might like? You can, this is very very important. Also, you can choose to add some of this here. You get fashion accessories. Come on. So fashion, clothing, shopping, dresses. So you just choose what is applicable to you get what you do. I'm using all this now because we are dealing with a clothing store. You get. So as soon as you're done, you click on next. You get choose up to 6 photos of you that best represent clothing store, stuff like that. So you can just add that in order to help for your ad. So creating an ad is made simple here now. You can just choose any of these photos and then you click on next and it's done. You get. So I think that is all for here. So the next video I will be exploring some of these features here and explaining them to you, how to reach out to your customers on Facebook page. Thank you so much.